Hello, everyone. A quick word about today's lecture. It is about app widgets you may have used on your phones. Both Android and iOS have widgets. And in the iOS, we are doing the same topic in both courses. And in iOS, what's going on is we use what was called the Today extension to complete this lecture. And in the newer versions of Xcode, this Today extension was deprecated and something else called widget kit was introduced. So that has affected our lecture a bit. And what it will mean is that the first part of the lecture, this part one, you will be able to follow along, no problem, the entire lecture. In the second part, at some point, you will see that I will ask you to use the Today extension. And if you are using a newer version of Xcode, you will not see it as an option. And if you're using an older version, you will still see it. So just continue on. With a newer version of Xcode, what you may want to do, and in any case, even if you can see the Today extension, you may want to watch the part 3. This talks about the widget kit and how it is implemented. Now, there is no hands-on work with the widget kit that we will be doing in this lecture, mainly because it requires the use of Swift UI, which is an advanced way to design interfaces and a topic that we are introducing in the next lecture. That's why I did not want to do hands-on work here and put the horse before the cart. So basically, complete part 1, follow along, go up in part 2 up to the point you are able to go through, then switch to part 3. After that, you can come back to the part 2 and continue watching, and you will see how it was done in the past. And that's the what I wanted to talk about. It's all written here as well, but a video sometimes is more helpful, so I decided to tape it. All the best, and not just for today's lecture for this week, but for the rest of the course.